Hey guys, so we're gonna look at the blind boxes that I got in the December trip that I just refound. You saw already the ones from Epic Universe, which are super cute. I can't wait to go back and get more. Um, which, by the way, um, we're now doing Disney. And if you didn't already know, the end of last year, towards the end of last year, they did a drop shop at the co-op at Disney Springs. It's still there. But it's a never ending like rotation of blind boxes. Um, so the ones that I'm going to show you, one, I know it's still available at the Disney store online. So I'm assuming there's probably available somewhere in the parks. The other one, I don't think is still at the drop shop. And I looked for it online to be like, hey, if you guys want this, you can buy it here. And the only place I found them was eBay. So I apologize for showing you these. And if you fall in love with them and have to go on eBay and get them, but they're so cute, I had to show you. So what I'm going to show you guys is it's by COSB, COSB, exclamation points, the brand. And they are, I'm actually looking for, I had the cards. Um, they are cats, Disney cats. And they all come with a little bed to put on. And as you can see behind me, because she's waking up, I have cats. I love cats. I love dogs too, but I just so happen to have two cats. So I don't know if you can tell from here, but this is actually flocked or fuzzy or whatever terminology you want to use. But yeah, they just, he said, this is the first one I got. And I want to say there was 8 total. I got 4, and I'm lucky enough that to not get any duplicates. So the other one I got was Marie, and this one is, I think this one's Berlioz. I always get the brothers of Aristocats confused. So if I'm getting it wrong, I apologize. But I've got 2 of the 3 sibling cats, and her bed comes with a little yarn ball, and of course it's a pink bed, which is super cute. And then I've got Dinah, which I love that she's Dinah's from Alice in Wonderland, if you guys don't already know. I love she's got a little butterfly, and of course the bows. Again, these are all flocked. And then since she's holding a butterfly, it's just the bed that she has. I guess since Marie's not holding anything, she's just posing cute. That's why she got a friend. And then last but not least, Figaro from Pinocchio. I love Figaro because before the cats that I have currently, I had a cat that looked like Figaro. And Figaro, in my opinion, has a bonus because Figaro comes with a fish bowl with Cleo, the little fish. So I love that. So those are the 4 that I got. There's the little fish. It's not the best Cleo, but I mean, like, the set is about the cats. So yeah, they just sit on the bed. So I'll post a picture here. So the other 4, like I said, there was the other brother from Aristocats. So like I said, I got Marie, and I want to say Berlioz. So I'm missing the one brother. There was Yzma, which Yzma as a cat is super cute because she's holding the little bottle of poison. And then there's Cheshire Cat, which would have been fun to get, and Lucifer from Cinderella. Um, so like I said, so far I only found it on eBay, and it was the entire set for like $100, which I don't think I'm gonna spend that on there because I'm sure I'd rather get other blind boxes on my next trip. But yeah, that is the cats. And I'll let you know in the next one the other blind box that we got. Hey guys, so got one last blind boxing to show you from my December trip, and I'm actually super excited about this one because this one, if you guys like these, and honestly, I think out of all of the blind boxes I did on that December trip, these are my favorite because the packaging and everything, it's awesome. But these are still available at online at the Disney store, so you can go grab these. I think they were $17.99. And honestly, I'm probably gonna grab some for myself. So first, I'm just gonna show you. If you haven't already seen these are, as you see, they're in liquid. These are the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Galactic Sidekicks. That's what the name is if you want to Google. So when you first get them, you get this, and they are in packaging, and you can see them, but there's a piece of paper wrapped around this, so you can't cheat and try to figure out what's in here. But has a light, and what you do, flip it upside down and press this button. Oh no, we do it this way, sorry. And you see what it is. It's a pork, and it's so cute. And then you've got the light, and then this does open, so you can take him out. Now he's in there pretty good, and until I find out what home I'm gonna have him in, because I might leave him in here. He looks kind of cute in there. But I love that this is the packaging, because you can keep them in there, you can take them out. Like I said, it's got a light, and then all you gotta do is when you flip it back upside down, the liquid fills back up. How cool is that? And we did get another one, so I'll show you the other one. Here is our other guy, which I remember him from the movies. I am bad with the names, so I don't remember. Yeah, he's in there pretty good too. Oh, yeah, he's in there pretty good. I don't remember what he's called. I'll probably put it in somewhere, let you know. But I love these because, like I said, I can display it on my desk just like this. Have the light on, because if I remember correctly, he was trying to attack one of the characters, and that's how we know about him. I can fill it back up with the liquid. But yeah, these by far are my favorite, because of it's like a whole thing. Not only do you have a piece of paper wrapped around here and you can't see it, if you open that, all you see is this liquid. So then you got to do this. And the reveal is just so cool. I want to say there is like 6 different options. We definitely want to try to get all of them. But yeah, like any Star Wars fan, go online to shop the Disney store.com, shop Disney, whatever they're calling themselves this week, and grab yourself some of these because they're awesome. Honestly, the Porg is my personal favorite. because it's in like its screaming mode. So, all right, guys, that is it for my blind boxing from my December trip. And I promise when I get more stuff, I will try to be more consistent about when I post about them. All right, guys, see you next time.